ready to go outside. Look at Cassie. Cass is ready to go outside.
Going out.
Sarah, baby girl. Come here, Choo-Choo. Come here, Chewy. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Come on. The boyfriend and the girlfriend. Where are they? Oh, what is going on? What's going on right here?
They're sitting in the picture. Maybe she'll say
We have a party of dog here. Come here, Choo-Choo.
Come back.
Chewy, come here. Come here, Choo-Choo. Come on, big boy. Hey. Come on, girl. What? What? Chewy. Hello. So if you wonder, it's a lot in here. We have a party dog like here. Cassie has a visitor. Come on, Chewy. Her boyfriend is here. Chewy is here. Look. Oh. Ow, don't scratch me. Come here, Choo-Choo. Oh, Cassie is here. Come here. Look at it. This is Cassie's boyfriend. Oh my gosh. Calm down, baby.
Come on, Chewy.
Crazy dogs. Look at this, Cassie. Oh my gosh. You miss me, Cass? So I just get off from work, and then Chewy is here. He's staying with us tonight. Come here, Chewy. And Cassie here is acting like crazy.
Look, she don't eat her dog food. She eats him. Now she's drinking.
Yeah. Chewy is a female Yorkie, a male Yorkie.
Let's get you some more. Come on.
No, him and Cassie, if they can't get along together, they keep fighting and then running each other. And now they're thirsty. So we have a party dog here in the house. Come here, Choo-Choo. Chewy, come here. Right here.
Here, get you some water.
Drink water, Cassie.
Here, let me get you some water. Cassie ate all her food.
A thirsty boy.
Here, come on, we'll get you some.
Here's Chewy. There's Choo-Choo. Chewy, where are you going? You cannot fit in there. Come on, big boy. Oh, look at that. This one is jealous.
Here.
Drink your water, Choo-Choo. Here's some water. Cassie, that's not yours.
She don't care. She eats all his food. That's why I was giving her some food.
Chewy, drink your water, Choo-Choo. No, right there. No, right there. Drink your water. Cassie will drink your water. Oh my gosh. Come on. Cassie. Chewy, what are you doing? Choo-Choo. Oh, Cassie get jealous. Oh my gosh. Cassie get jealous. Come in, Yorkie dogs. Chewy and Cassie, get over here.
Look at her, waiting for her food. Look.
Look at that. They're ready to eat.
Come on.
They're ready to eat.
You get back. That's not your food.
Cassie, girl, that's not yours. That's for Chewy. Eat your food, Choo-Choo. Look at this one. It's trying to eat Chewy's food.
Yeah, look how small this is compared to Cassie. What do you like this dog food? I'll have to get you this next time.
You want to get inside, Choo-Choo? Okay, I'll open the cage for you. Cassie, that's not your food. Hi, Choo-Choo. Hi, big boy. This is Chewy. That's Chewy. He's a big boy. Where are you going, Chewy? Choo-Choo. Chewy. Cassie, do you eat his food?
Yeah, let me take him out. I don't know. Let me take him out. Maybe he's got to go to the bathroom. Guess I'm going to take him out back, huh?
Yeah, go in the back. You want to go in the back? Choo-Choo.
Come on, Choo, let's go. He's probably got it. Come on.
Come on, go, Cass. Cassie here's busy eating. I don't care. I'm eating here.
His food over, she eats it. And then,
All right, Choo Choo.
then when he's hungry, he won't have anything to eat.
He's here. This is Chewy. Yes, Cassie. And they were a couple. This is a male. This is a female. Yo, Chewy. Hi. Hi. Oh, hey. I get two cute puppies here. What? Look at Chewy.
All right, that's good. Jen, don't do that.
Hey, Choo Choo.
I don't want nobody else to get close to us. That's so silly. Chewy. I've never seen a dog that big. Jesus.
Big boy.
You're a big boy.
Look at
They
big
must
boy.
feed you like, I don't know where you eat. You must eat good at home. You don't eat over here. I feel so bad. He comes a little bit in the cage. He always get the toy, silly.
Get the toy. You lose it.
Get out. Nobody wants you up there. You got all these pillows all messed up and laying all over them all day. Hey, here. Here. Face this way. Come on.
There's the camera, Chewy. This way.
Turn around. Here.
Cassie right here, like, oh.
Come on, right here. Get it, baby, get it. Get it, get it. Can you take it now?
It's Cassie. Oh my gosh.
Here, here. Go get it.
Cassie, that's not yours.
She don't want it. She just don't want him.
Cassie, that's mine.
Oh, yeah, what's hers is hers. What is hers.
Yeah. Where should we?
Be right in the middle of it.
Chewy, Cassie, what are you doing?
She's trying to be a little nosy Rosie.
Choo
She
Choo.
can't stand it as long as somebody else is getting attention.
Look at this, Chewy and Cassie. Choo Choo. Go girl. Oh, go boy. I get confused now. Go, Cassie.
The doctor's just waiting.
Chewy got her toy. The pink one. That's why she get mad.
Well, she gets Chewy's toy, that's okay. So what's wrong? You see what I'm saying? She takes Chewy's toy. Out of my way.
Sit down. That's good. Look at this too. Look at this. Huh? Cassie, just stay there. She's fine, Cassie.
Anyone heard from Maria?
Nope.
Look at this Choo Choo here. Choo Choo. Look at that Chewy. Look at that. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes?
Chewy.
Look at this other one. What?
Crazy.
I'm gonna go make a trip down to HR.
He's fine, Cassie. Leave him
Cassie.
alone. Cassie, leave him
Let
alone.
sit on that pillow. Oh, Dosey's got to go running off the pillow.
Cassie, leave him alone.
I'm going to whip you. Give you a pin in a minute. I'm getting ready to put you in there by yourself. Now let that dog alone.
Did you hear that? Huh? Did you hear that? Leave Chewy alone. Choo Choo. Oh, you want a camera? Okay. You're the best actress.
The doctor took out your appendix. He also did tape out the infection. And then when the appendix burst, the infection spread everywhere. So it can be a little tricky.
We're gonna be okay now?
Yeah, in a few days you'll feel better. But you just let me know how you're feeling, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Look at
Did
Cassie.
you dance?
What are you doing?
My friend's a dancer. I'm actually gonna see her dance tonight at the Metropolitan Center.
Really? I wanna dance there someday.
Well, then I'll tell you all about it tomorrow.
Look at Choo-Choo. Hey, Chewy. Hello, Choo-Choo.
Oh, my shift is over. And I said maybe. Wasn't that your patient? So, unless you want to back performance review on your file.
Ah, Cassie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You take your toy. Here. I got here for you. Okay. Barter. You got his toy. He got your toy.
It's okay.
Don't worry, I'll get a hold of someone.
Okay, it's okay. No signal.
You like that pink, Choo-Choo?
I doubt it. Someone will come get first.
Cassie, what are you doing? Don't rip that toy.
Sounds like the performance is still going on.
Everyone's still inside.
You know, on the battery last.
Well, at least we won't go hungry. My turn.
Alright guys, yung dalawa. Andun sila. Where are you? Here. So, minsan yan tahimik. Tahimik lang. Nood na kami ng TV ngayon. Yan, wala silang ginawa. Eh, bigla mo na lang marinig na nag-away na itong dalawa. Yan si Cassie.
Okay.
Para itong aso pusa yung dalawa eh. Hindi magkasundo. Minsan tahimik. Tapos bigla na lang parang may nagsabunutan. Yan. I got Chewy with me. Here's the big boy. Don't lick me. Here's Chewy. And then Cass is right there. Jealous. Jealous. Huh, Choo-Choo. Like, Chewy sitting on my lap. Big boy here. It's a big boy. Hi, big boy. And look at Cassie. Look at Cassie. Look. She's jealous.
You know that it's much more than that.
Someone's jealous.
Speaking
Someone's
of,
jealous.
anything you need. I'm gonna drive up to some ranches, check out some stables and some living quarters.
Don't jump it. Don't jump.
Just a
Choo-Choo.
little bit.